Hello, boys and girls. I am back, and we're going to continue reading Kate's book. You know, the first thing we do is we open to the table of contents. What story are we going to read next? The Campsite on page 22. So let's turn to page 22. The Campsite. So in this story, Kate, Nan, and Jack, they're going to a campsite. Remember, they were going camping. So before we start, let's talk about some vocabulary that we need to learn, okay? Like legend, you're gonna hear the word legend, and legend is a story that has been handed down for a very long time. So maybe Jack and Nan tell the kids a legend. You're going to see the word crops. Crops are plants that grow in a farm, okay? And then you're going to see the word lanterns. I hope you can see them, but lanterns are just, they're lights. They're kind of similar to flashlights. You are going to hear the word lugged. Lugged means to carry very heavy things, like I lugged a heavy suitcase. You are going to hear the word sleeping bag, which is just like a blanket. It's like a large bag that looks like a blanket and you can get in it, okay? And if you have a sleeping bag, I recommend you get one and go outside and look at the stars at night. Okay, are you ready? The next story is Campsite on page 22.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Jack came and picked us up on his truck. We drove to the campsite in the Badlands. Nan, I said, what's up with the name, the Badlands? Well, said Nan, legend has it that a long time back, farmers came out here looking for farmland. When they saw all of the rocks and sand and stone, they said, this is Badland. We can't plant crops here. And then came the Badlands, just sort of stuck. Is it bad land for farming? Said Jack. But it's good land for camping. When we got to the campsite, we had to unpack sleeping bags, tents, lanterns, matches, and lots of food. We lugged it all to the campsite. Jack chose a spot to set up camp. Max and I helped with the tents. It took us a long time. For dinner, we had hot dogs. We stuck them on sticks and held them in the fire. My hot dog got all black because I left it on too long. Max gave me one of his. That was when I said to myself, Max is okay. So boys and girls, that is the story about the campsite. I can't wait to read more. So I want you to go answer some questions I have for you and then go to your workbook and finish those questions, okay? Have a good day. I'll see you on Thursday.